Well, welcome everybody. I'm very pleased to welcome you to today's session. This is Public Children Law 2020, Key Principles and Update. Now, with this session today, I'm going to be going through a number of key issues with you surrounding developments in public children law and adoption matters throughout 2020. And this is going to be relevant for those of you, whether you're acting for parents, for family members, for local authorities, and also indeed if you take instructions from children. And I'm going to be looking at case law and also some of the significant practice directions and statutory provisions throughout this year. We'll be looking at removal cases, some of the developing cases on interim removal in particular, and of course, given the COVID-19 crisis, I'll be taking you through a recent case on contact in particular in light of the pandemic. We'll look at assessments, we'll look at a position with 38.6 and also some of the recent changes to practice directions and the statutory guidance. There's also some discussion on threshold and care planning generally, as well as covering secure accommodation and the continuing and growing line of authorities on deprivation of liberty. And finally, towards the latter part of the session, we'll be looking at some aspects of parallel planning and looking at adoption in particular. So what I'm going to be beginning with today then is starting with looking at the position with experts and particularly the use of lay advocates. Now, just to put this into context, this ties in with the concepts of participation directions. Many of you will know that some few years back we had the Part 3